Mastering plural possessive nouns. Unlock your English grammar power. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to our today's lesson where we will be taking a close look at a crucial grammar topic, plural possessive nouns. It might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of what they are and how to use them. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the world of plural possessive nouns, let's quickly recap what a noun is and how we make it plural. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, cat, London, apple, or love. To create the plural form of most nouns, we usually add an s or s to the end. For instance, cat becomes cats, and box becomes boxes. But remember, English is notorious for exceptions, such as child to children and mouse to mice. Possessive nouns indicate ownership or a relationship to something else. We create them by adding an apostrophe and sometimes an s to the noun. For example, the cat's toy or James's book. Now, let's talk about plural possessive nouns. If a plural noun ends in s, we simply add an apostrophe at the end to show possession. For example, the cat's toys means that the toys belong to multiple cats. However, if the plural form does not end in s, like children or mice, we add s after the noun. For example, the children's toys or the mice's cheese. Let's put this knowledge into practice with a few examples. Try to convert these phrases into possessive form. 1. The toys of the dogs' toys. 2. The rooms of the girls' rooms. 3. The habitat of the mice's habitat. And that's it. We've now covered plural possessive nouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using these in your everyday English. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!